So good. Oh my God. Hey guys, what's up? What's going on? Welcome back to another episode of Keegan's Kitchen. And for today's recipe, I'll be showing you how to make this juicy stuffed red snapper recipe. Alright guys, so you want to make a nice deep pocket, alright? So we're going to start from here. Nice deep pocket all the way down to the end, alright? Because you want to make sure it's deep enough for all the filling to fit on the inside. Alright, so just like that. Alright, so I think that's deep enough. Alright, so we're gonna season the inside with all the dry seasoning and then stuff it with the callaloo, the mozzarella cheese, and all the other tomato ingredients and all that good stuff. I'm also gonna add 1 teaspoon of all-purpose seasoning, 1 teaspoon of smoked paprika, a teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of onion powder, and finally 1 teaspoon of seafood seasoning. Mix it up. I'm also going to add my cooking oil. This is about a tablespoon of cooking oil. You want to massage your fish front and back, and also on the inside of that little pocket that we made earlier. After you finish adding your oil, you want to add your seasoning, guys. All right, the oil is going to allow the seasoning to stick directly, to the fish. That's pretty much the main reason why I added the oil. After you finish seasoning your fish, after you make sure it's well seasoned, you want to add your stuffing. We're going to start off with the callaloo and the other ingredients. We're going to add some callaloo, all right? Add some callaloo on the inside. Alright, just like that. You're gonna add your Scotch bonnet pepper or habanero pepper. You can use any type of hot pepper. Add a little bit of tomato. About 2 tablespoons of diced tomatoes. Alright. Now we're gonna stuff it with the mozzarella cheese. Stuff it all the way in. Just like that. So this is gonna be packed with a bunch of flavor. It's gonna be cheesy on the inside, and the cheese is gonna be melted and mixed with the callaloo and all the other ingredients on the inside. All right. So now we're gonna bake this for about 12 to 15 minutes at 375 degrees Fahrenheit. All right. Now you want to spread your butter. This is 1 tablespoon of butter. To spread it all over your baking tray, just like that. Then we're gonna place our stuffed snapper right on top, and we're gonna drizzle about 2 tablespoons of water as well. Add the 2 tablespoons of water. This is gonna allow it to steam a little bit, so it's not gonna be dried out or anything like that. All right guys, so our fish is looking beautiful right now. Beautiful. We're just gonna squeeze a little bit of lemon juice on top just to finish it off. We're also gonna sprinkle some parsley, just like that. And then we're gonna add some grated lemon zest. This is gonna bring out the flavor a lot. Just like that. Oh yes. And this is it, guys. Our baked stuffed red snapper filet recipe right here. You know, it's gonna be so good. All right, guys, time for that taste test. All right, look at that. Let's cook all the way through. All right. See? Let's cook right through. So good. Oh my God. Alright guys, if you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel for more amazing recipes.